Hi, welcome to the Mills. I'm gonna take you to the venue where we are having our textile performance art project with children and youth from very diverse backgrounds in Hong Kong. Come on. It's in the annex inside the Mills. We are very grateful for the huge venue support from the Mills that allow us to explore the contemporary perspective for the textile art. Yay! Welcome to our venue.
We first start with a frame weaving, and that's just for us to understand the concepts of weaving, understand the tensions within the weaving, and that will hopefully, once we move on to more performative weavings like the backstrap weaving, we can understand how much tension and how much push and pull we need to give to our bodies when we move on to a more physical weaving. Hi. In backstrap weaving, the weaving will be connected to the weaver on its waist and to a stationary object like a pole or a tree. And this is what I am demonstrating right now. We will, later on, we will move on to weaving using two bodies. And so right now, with the backstrap weaving that we have, we're kind of looking at how much tension, push and pull that our body needs in order for us to keep the tension of the weaving. Two weavers doing backstrap weaving, where both ends of the loom is attached to both weavers, and they're kind of exploring how much tension they give one another, and it's kind of this unspoken push and pull, give and take, which is the ideas that kind of I have within my weavings as well.
知道吗？如果你拉得很重呢，你就伤到它了；如果你很松呢，你就没办法织了，是不是？所以呢，如果你要织的时候，你要注意说，就好像我们人跟人之 So I was definitely inspired by my artist, Katrina. She inspires me a lot of looking at textile from new different angle. Textile arts has been a long history in different parts of the world for women empowerment. I want to bring the traditional textile art with contemporary perspective for children and youth in Hong Kong from very diverse backgrounds. Having children and youth come here and doing this art project together, we're trying to bring out the meaning of diversity, inclusion, and human relationship and intertwining relationship in our community. It's definitely not easy to start a project with over 50, 60 children from very diverse backgrounds to join us together. The difficulties, we started without venue. We start reaching out for venue support, and then the logistic support, how to get the children from very underserved communities to be able to travel to this place and do the process together with us. Administratively, how do we coordinate the times to make sure everybody can make it and comfortable and settle down everybody, connect with each other through the process. And then I'm very grateful that we have the support from different parties, galleries, the venue support from the mills, and then the dedicated parents who support these projects, and also the community center social workers to support us as well. Through this project, we try to bring a new angles, new perspective to textile arts. Textile arts is, for us, it's more than focusing on the weaving or the product. Rather, it's more of the process of making. Through our project, we make the children and youth from very diverse backgrounds come here to do the project together, either through weaving together on the frames or using the body connection with an object, which we called a backstrap weaving. And then we evolved to a two-human body weaving process, which is a performance art, to talk about the tension and distance that we do it together in this process. So it's a whole process of art making rather than a final product that we're looking at.
I'm very excited to finally have this project going. I think that my ideas of weaving and the mission of Arts for Good Foundation really work well together. Weaving is a way to bring communities together and to have different people in the communities connect with one another. So it's really nice to see the students kind of teaching each other and learning from each other. Weaving really tells a story. So I'm very interested in how the body moves when we weave, what happens to the maker's hands, the repetition. So I'm really interested in how that works in that nonverbal communication between your body, your hands, and the threads.
我是喜欢这一种，因为它就是可以让墙跟身体连在一起，然后我感觉这个活动非常的有趣，然后很好玩。
I really liked experiencing all the different types of weaving, especially the body weaving and the one on the frame, the bigger frame. I thought that the diversity with the weaving and with making new friends through weaving really helped make this experience really memorable.
Because you get to weave and then you can learn different patterns, and it's very calming. And then you can also work with people you don't know and get to know them, so you can also make new friends. Because I think weaving is fun. It's creative.
I thought it was very cool, and it kind of showed how, although we've never met before and we're kind of just weaving with one another, we kind of created a crossroad where we all end up meeting in one spot and connecting with each other.
Yes, thank you, Arts for Good.